Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Gnosis Safe settings and owners list, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Gnosis Safe settings and owners list, start by logging into your Gnosis Safe account. Navigate to the main dashboard after logging in. Locate the settings menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the settings option to open the settings panel. In the settings panel, find the owners section. Review the list of owners associated with your Gnosis Safe. To back up this list, take a screenshot or copy the names manually to a secure document. Next, navigate to the Transaction History section of your Gnosis Safe account. Click on the Transaction History to access all past transactions. This area may also contain useful information related to your settings. To back up your transaction history, export the data if the option is available. If not, take a screenshot of the transaction list for your records. Now, return to the main dashboard. Look for an option that allows you to export or back up your settings. If available, click on the Export Settings button. Follow any prompts that appear to save your settings file. Choose a secure folder on your computer to store the backup file. Ensure that this folder is protected and only accessible to you. Once the export is complete, verify that the file has been saved correctly. Store your backups in multiple locations to enhance security. Consider using cloud storage with strong encryption for additional protection. Regularly update your backup as changes occur in your Gnosis Safe settings or owners. Create a calendar reminder to check and refresh your backups periodically. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your Gnosis Safe settings and owners list. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.